Perfect, thanks.
We're parking! We're on our way to the Hurricanes game at 6 o'clock against the New Jersey... what? Rangers. Yeah! Maddie, how did you like the parking? Pretty easy?
Yeah, it was a very positive experience, being that it's a Sunday night game and no one's here.
Parking was 15 bucks, almost like our tickets.
Yeah, our parking costed just as much as tickets did.
We are going through the east entrance because we have tickets. But if you have to buy tickets, I think you need to go to the other side. But there's no sign here. Weird. So there's speakers here, and they say if you need to buy tickets, you gotta go to the south side. So we just entered. They gave me one of these bad boys. You can get a shirt right here. I've never been here. Yep. Water fountains. You're not gonna die of thirst, right, Addie?
Right. And there's lots of beer and pretzels too.
First sponsoring Fox Sports.
Yeah, they were playing. I said the Rangers.
In the PNC arena.
They're actually playing the New Jersey.
Mistake. We're not playing the New Jersey Rangers, but they are the
New Jersey
Devils. Devils. Yeah, that's right. Certain Devils. Need cash in the PNC arena. ATM right here. Men's bathroom. PNC arena. Mountain Dew. That's the first one. Yep, just walk up. Got a little shop here to buy a quick shirt. Fresh Market. That's pretty nice. We got a commercial to go get a beer at section 337. That's pretty unique. We're getting a pretzel and a little line before the game. Enjoy it. Yeah. Pay with Maddie?
I paid with my debit card.
Oh, that's pretty nice. I hate it when you only do cash.
No. They like
Maddie found an inconvenience.
the cup holder is literally at our hips.
Yeah, we can't. Yeah, yeah. On the first look, there are not a lot of advertisements, but then when you look closely,
good evening, ladies
on the ice, you can see them. Real next player of the game.
Crutches. Once his leg healed, he was fitted with a prosthetic, started skating again, and now plays sled hockey through the triangle.
So I have in total 5 options for advertisements during the game. The first 2 are both the rings, they change a lot. Then you also have the TVs, the ring, and then the smaller TVs. They all change as well. And then lastly, the doors here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says McDonald's right now, but they change as well, but not that often. You also have signage on the upper levels at the doors. You can see them all right there. All over the stadium. Same thing, all those white things.
Number 11, PA Parento, 2 minutes for tripping. Time to the penalty, 11:55 in the second period. Devils Parento, 2 for tripping, 11:55.
We got 9 seconds left. I see a 10 to 20 in your hand. You're doing pretty good. 3 seconds left in the cash grab.
Bathrooms are pretty clean. Lots of toilet paper. I give it an 8. Yeah, it's good. No lines anywhere during halftime. I found a line for ice cream. Shouldn't take that long though. Thank you. See you. They were nice. Well, we lost, but it was a nice game. And we learned a lot about advertisement. See ya, PNC.